Welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is function. So function is a very important topic in a programming language. So here we have three things in the function. First, you need to focus on the name of the function, receiving parameter of the function, and return value from the function. Okay, so now I am defining a function like check even number. Okay, now I will take one parameter. So this is a receiving parameter. This is the name of function. Now I am applying a logic. If the number premined by 2 and the result is equal to 0, then I will print number is even, else print number is odd. Now I am printing the result. So this is the name of the function. This is the receiving parameter of the function. Now I have applied a logic. So to execute that function, I need to call that and I need to pass one parameter. So now I will run that and I will call that. So the number is even. Now if you will call that, the number is odd. So here you need to focus in that if you are returning a value, suppose I will not print the value, I will return the value. So whenever I am returning a value, I should receive that value. Means suppose if anyone is throwing a ball, so you need to catch that. So if anyone is giving you a value, so you need to receive that. So value I will receive and I can print that. So now if I will run that, and you can see the number is odd. And now if I will give 2 here, then the number is even. So now here, if you are not receiving any parameter, suppose you want to declare num inside the function, so you can do that also. Now you do not need to pass that parameter. So I will run that, the number is even, because the 12, if I will divide that by 2, so the remainder will be 0. So the number is even. If I will give 13 here, so the number is odd. So whenever I want to change the value, change the number, so I need to execute that again. So that I don't want. That's why I declare that as a parameter. So I will not execute that multiple time. I will execute that code at a single time. I will just change the value from here. So that's why the receiving is too important. Receiving parameter is too important. Now in that scenario, the print is like if you want to print directly, so you can do that. If you want to return, so you can return that. So this is for the understanding, and I have told you like how or when I should receive the value. So we focused on the three things. First is the name of the function. So Python, just remember one thing, Python is a case sensitive language. So if you are giving E in the capital, so here whenever you are calling a function, so you need to give E capital here also. If you will give that in a small, so this is error. Okay, so name of the function, receiving parameter, you are receiving that, and return. If you are returning any parameter, so you need to receive that. It's not an error if you will not receive that, so it will not give you the error. So you can see it will not give you the error. Now it's returning you, that's why it's printed. So, and you can call that in the print also. So the output is printed. Now just remember one thing, print is also a function that is a built-in function in Python. So this was related to the function. We will see function with more example. I will explain that in a tomorrow session. So thanks for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.